You see there for Pump Info News, the update we will get this morning. I be say they say Simon Ekpa don't find a new speaker. No be smart, as the Finland government don't free those people where they arrest alongside with Simon Ekpa. No be smart in this matter as he just they come outside now. Now they say that everybody they run kitty kitty, everybody they run kata kata. Follow the news we break out and we can they get information from the defense minister, chief of staff, that the Simon Ekpam will join Biafrans very very soon. No be smart, now we can hear the Bunge news. Some carry and can give una. I beg us another watch and make sure say una they share so that other people will see they get the information. We'll go quickly bring the video come up for you. May you watch and hear it with your own ear. As that one they happen, they say Simon Ekpa speak put for the matter. You go still watch them as it take happen. May you watch and share.
Thank you so much, His Excellency. We know you'll be with us in the next few days or so. We keep our fingers crossed. But we thank you for your resilience and your leadership. I also want to thank our leader, Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. It is because of him that we are doing what we are doing. He is there because of us. We thank him for his resilience and his steadfastness. We thank our defense forces, the Biafra Liberation Army, the Biafra Defense Forces, the resistance fighters, the Navy, the Air Force of the United States of Biafra. We thank you so much for what you do in protecting our land, protecting our women from the Nigerian terrorist government, from the terrorists that are wearing Nigerian uniform, parading as Nigerian military and police in Biafra land. We thank you for protecting our land and protecting our people. We thank all the new secretaries of the United States of Biafra in the different departments and their executives, the deputy secretaries. We thank you so much. Other cabinet members, the de facto state governors and their executives, the stakeholders. We thank you so much, the old Briggy cabinet members that are following and doing the needful to ensure that our freedom, which we already got, is fully protected. Thank you so much, Biafrans and friends of Biafrans. Welcome to this space today. It is an honor to once again be here to update Biafrans and address some of the concerns you may have as we move towards our final push to go back to our motherland. First, we have to thank God today for the freedom of our four brothers in Finland. It is a thing of joy for Finland to discover that the Nigerian state is the one that is perpetuating all the crimes they impose or the crimes they say that other people are committing. It is the Nigerian government that is committing those crimes. So what they do is what they impose on other people. And we also have some Biafrans that do the same thing. What they do is what they say that other people are doing, but we are going to smoke them out, just like Finland have smoked Nigeria out today and discover that those four innocent Biafrans, that they did not do anything wrong. They are just asking for their freedom, which Finland also asked for, and they got their freedom. The lies that the Nigerian government and their agents, Biafran agents, in Finland and those that are in Nigeria, the lies they perpetuated, all the lies they lied against these innocent Biafrans, Finland has gone through the whole document, both the one presented by Biafrans, the one presented by our allies on the international scene, and the ones presented by the Nigerian terrorist state. And Finland has determined that these Biafrans are innocent of the crimes and of the allegation that Nigerian President Tinubu have leveled against these innocent Biafrans. they discovered that there's nothing criminal that they did. They discovered that the lies perpetrated by the Nigerian government and their agents in Finland holds no water. And that was why they allowed our Biafrans to just go home today. They are with their families and they are just relaxing. We thank God for that. Our Obato Obie is going to join us very, very soon. Because even the records the Finland authorities have, they've discovered that there's just nothing. There is no crime. Whatever Obatobia is doing is what all of us are doing. It is the same thing that our four brothers they've released. That's the same thing they do. Nothing more, nothing less. And in the course of all these investigations, they've discovered that the Nigerian government reintegrates and rehabilitates non-terrorists that kills innocent indigenes of Nigeria, kills innocent Biafrans. We know that our Prime Minister has been looking for an opportunity to let the world know how criminal Nigeria state is. And now Finland has discovered that Nigeria government and the Nigeria state is the true terrorist, is the one killing people, is the one reintegrating terrorists to go and kill innocent indigenes. Is the one that have no regard for the rule of law. Is the one that is breaking all the human rights laws and charters that Nigeria went into. They've discovered that Biafra is a free nation. The people have spoken and they have exited Nigeria. And there's nothing anybody can do about that. Finland have discovered all that. So in the next couple of days, we know our Obatobie is going to join us, just like these our four brothers have gone home to their families. We thank Finland for doing the needful, for doing the right thing, taking your time to go through all the documents that were submitted, both by Biafrans, both by friends of Biafrans, and the one that was submitted by the Nigerian terrorist state. And they found out the truth, that Nigeria is a true terrorist state. It is an enclave of death where people are killed by their hundreds and nobody accounts for that. So thank you so much for Finland. Thank you so much, Finland. Let me get to the topic of today.
Yeah, my wonderful people, as he dropped that Ogbonge news, can't give the Biafrans. Say Simon Ekpa go there with the Biafrans very, very soon. Nah, Simon Ekpa can drop this one combo, can hear the video as it talk out.
I want to encourage every Biafrans to be very, very, very resolute and focused. The difference between us, the Biafra people, and those that are blackmailing and propagating all manner of falsehood against us is that they are two-faced people, corrupt, very unbalanced people, and we are not two-faced. These people that are parading and spreading all this falsehood against us are those who believe in Biafra and they believe in Nigeria.
Welcome back to Pump Info News, my wonderful people. I hope so when I don't listen and hear how it did go. I'm gonna try to share the video so that other people go still they follow us for what will they do and know how it did go for this last one. We take here they bring you Ogbonge news. I see the shelle. No be smart in my people. I beg make una share and make sure say they follow our all social media handles so that you know go they miss our updates. Stay tuned as we they bring more.